Hey, good morning, guys. Bill from Competition Cars. We're in the final hours of the auction on this 79 Olds 98 Regency, 13,800 miles on it. And I want to just clear up the whole wheel situation. So, as you know, the factory wheels that this car came with are these chrome-looking steel-type wheels, which are very rare. I've never seen a set. When I bought the car, I thought they were some kind of aftermarket wheel, and the guy that I bought it from showed me the sales brochure, which I did buy. I'll show you guys. I have it, and that wheel is in the brochure. Now, because I wasn't sure how people would take those wheels, I, upon my own, just decided on my own to go ahead and buy a set of the wire wheels. These came on like 77s and 78s. I just like that wheel, so under that wheel wire cap is those factory wheels. They have a trim ring and a center cap. We just pop those off. Those are in the trunk. The car does come with the original wheels, just like you see in all the pictures, and I will include these wire caps. Now, if you win the car and you do not like the wire caps or you do not want the wire caps, I would love to keep them because I can use them on another car down the road. So just want to make sure. I guess there was some confusion. People thought maybe I switched the wheels out. I didn't. If we popped that hubcap off, that chrome original wheel is up under that cap. So again, I appreciate all the commentary. It was a lot of active commentary, a lot of bidding so far. We are at no reserve. I dropped the reserve. I'm bringing this car to sell. So someone's going to buy a really unique car with very low miles that's very well preserved. So I want to, any other questions, put them in the comment section. I'll answer them. I'll be monitoring the auction very closely this afternoon. And I really appreciate everybody's input on this car. And just kind of go around it one more time because you see just how nice this car is. It's been in the showroom since we prepared it and put it on Bring a Trailer. And this is where it will remain until someone buys it and picks it up. So good luck bidding, guys. I appreciate it.